Welcome to Bestsellers Market, where we bring you the latest and greatest from the world of online shopping. I'm thrilled to have you with us today as we dive into an exciting countdown of the top-selling ceramics and pottery products available on Amazon. From stunning vases to unique handcrafted pieces, we've curated a list that showcases the very best in this category. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 10 in our countdown of top-selling ceramics and pottery on Amazon is the CiaraQ Polymer Clay Tools Kit, a must-have for every artist and craft enthusiast. This 24-piece set is more than just a collection. It's a gateway to unlocking your creative potential. Imagine having at your fingertips 5 precision wooden clay tools, each crafted to offer the perfect balance between control and comfort. Add to that 5 wooden handleball styluses, ideal for adding intricate details to your clay masterpieces. The set also includes 5 rubber pens and 4 rubber handleball styluses, allowing you to explore a range of textures and techniques with ease. And don't forget the 4 plastic styluses and a handy pottery sponge, rounding out a toolkit that promises versatility and excellence. What sets the CiaraQ Clay Tools Kit apart is its dual-ended design. This innovative feature allows you to tackle any sculpting challenge, whether you're refining fine details or experimenting with new textures. The stainless steel balls and hardwood handles are not just durable, they're crafted for smooth, effortless use, ensuring that each tool is a joy to work with. Versatility is key. Whether you're engaged in fine detail sculpting, blending colors, shaping, or touch-up work, these tools rise to the occasion. They're not just tools, they're an invitation to explore the depths of your creativity. And here's a bonus. The CiaraQ Polymer Clay Tools Kit makes for an exceptional gift. Perfect for young artists and seasoned crafters alike, this set is designed to inspire and delight. Dive into your next project with confidence and see where your imagination can take you. At number 9 in our countdown of the best-selling ceramics and pottery on Amazon is the ultimate creative companion, the Polymer Clay Kit, a dazzling array of 50 vibrant colors designed to ignite the artist within, whether you're a child, an adult, or a seasoned creator. This isn't just a clay set, it's a gateway to endless creativity. Imagine 50 rich, diverse colors at your disposal, each piece a vibrant inspiration waiting to be transformed into imaginative works of art. Whether you're looking to spark a child's artistic talent, enhance brain development, or simply foster family fun, this kit is your ideal choice. It's perfect for Halloween, Christmas, or any occasion that calls for a bit of creative magic. Safety is paramount. The polymer clay complies with ASTM D4236 and CE N71 standards, ensuring it's free from harmful substances like wheat, nuts, or peanuts. Made from environmentally friendly polymer, it boasts excellent toughness and won't stick to your hands, making it a safe choice for your little ones. Packed for convenience and creativity, this kit includes 50 colors of clay, each piece weighing 0.7 ounces and stored in neat PE bags. You'll also find 5 sculpting tools, a silicone model, and accessories to elevate your crafting experience. All this comes organized in 2 layers of sturdy plastic storage boxes, with a total weight of 2.87 pounds. A treasure trove of artistic possibilities. The clay is oven bake ready, requiring a temperature of 130 degrees Celsius, 266 degrees Fahrenheit, and baking for 10 to 30 minutes. For smaller pieces, a hairdryer can be used, while boiling is an option too. Microwaving is not recommended. For the safety of younger artists, children aged 1 to 3 should avoid using it, and those aged 3 to 6 should be supervised by an adult. And if you encounter any issues, don't worry. Our customer service is here to help, offering free replacements or refunds if needed. Dive into a world of color and creativity with this all-in-one polymer clay kit, where imagination knows no bounds. At number 8 in our countdown of top-selling ceramics and pottery on Amazon is the Air Dry Clay Kit, a vibrant explosion of creativity that's perfect for both kids and adults. This set is more than just clay. It's a canvas for imagination. Picture this. 24 dazzling colors of air dry clay, each piece neatly packed in its own PP bag, totaling 312 grams of crafting potential. Accompanied by 3 sculpting tools, this set invites endless creativity while helping kids stay engaged and away from screens. Safety first. This modeling clay is crafted from 100% non-toxic, environmentally friendly materials. Odor-free and non-sticky, it meets stringent ASTM D4236 and CE N71 standards. Plus, it air dries completely in just 24 hours, eliminating the need for baking. That means you can dive into your projects with peace of mind. The true magic of this clay lies in its versatility. It's easy to shape, bend, and stretch, making it ideal for sparking creativity and enhancing fine motor skills. From simple shapes to intricate designs, this clay encourages children to expand their senses and exercise their hands-on coordination. Looking for the perfect gift? This set is a fantastic choice for birthdays, Christmas, Children's Day, or any occasion that calls for a touch of creative fun. With its bright colors and engaging qualities, it's sure to be a hit. Whether you're a young creator or just young at heart, this foam clay gives you the freedom to mold and shape your ideas. Lightweight and non-sticky, it offers hours of creative construction. Ideal for children over 3 years old, this clay kit is your gateway to imaginative adventures and artistic exploration. Number 7 in our countdown of top-selling ceramics and pottery on Amazon is the CiaraQ Modeling Clay Kit, a treasure trove of artistic possibilities designed for all ages. This set is more than just a collection of clays. It's an invitation to unleash your creativity. Imagine having 24 vibrant colors of air dry clay, each one carefully packed in its own self-sealing bag. With 240 grams in total and 3 sculpting tools included, this kit provides everything you need to dive into your next project. The self-sealing bags keep your clay fresh, ensuring it's always ready for your next artistic endeavor. Crafted from 100% safe, non-toxic materials, this clay kit meets the highest standards of safety and quality, including ASTM D4236 and CE N71 certifications. It's environmentally friendly and designed with your peace of mind in focus. The clay itself is a delight to work with. Soft and non-sticky, it's easy to shape, bend, and stretch, making it perfect for kids and beginners. No need for oven baking. This magic clay air dries completely on its own. And here's a tip. At first, the clay may feel a bit sticky, but with a bit of kneading, it becomes firm and elastic, almost like dough. Once dried, it turns into a lightweight, foam-like material that won't crack. Whether you're using it in a classroom setting or at home, this clay kit is designed for fun and creativity. Recommended for ages 3 and up, it's ideal for both beginners and experienced artists alike. And if you ever encounter any issues, rest assured, our worry-free after-sales service has got you covered. Just let us know, and we'll provide a free replacement to ensure your satisfaction. Dive into the world of creative possibilities with the CiaraQ Modeling Clay Kit and watch your artistic visions come to life. At number 6 in our countdown of the top-selling ceramics and pottery on Amazon is the CiaraQ 24 Colors Small Block Polymer Clay Starter Kit, a vibrant and versatile toolkit designed to inspire creativity in kids and beginners alike. Imagine diving into a world of color with 24 different hues, each block weighing just 0.39 ounces and measuring 1.5 by 0.7 by 0.2 inches. Wrapped individually in protective pouches, these blocks total 264 grams of pure creative potential. Perfect for sparking imagination and honing artistic skills, this starter kit is an excellent choice for young artists eager to explore the joys of molding and crafting. Safety is always a top priority. This polymer clay is non-toxic, eco-friendly, and brightly colored, meeting the stringent ASTM D4236 standards. You can feel confident that your creative projects are not only fun, but safe. Ideal for beginners and children, this clay is perfect for making small ornaments, model animals, and characters. It's designed to enhance imagination, foster creativity, and support intellectual development. Whether you're looking for a Christmas gift or simply a creative outlet, this starter kit fits the bill. When it comes to baking, the CiaraQ clay offers flexibility. For the best results, set your oven to 135 degrees Celsius, 275 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake for 10 to 15 minutes. Alternatively, you can use the boil method for smaller pieces or a hair blower for slightly larger works. Just remember, this clay is not air dry. It becomes soft with kneading, so take your time to work it into the perfect consistency. If you encounter any issues, our customer service is here to help. Contact us for a refund or replacement if needed. Embrace the world of creativity with the CiaraQ Polymer Clay Starter Kit and watch your artistic visions come to life. Are you loving our countdown of the top-selling ceramics and pottery on Amazon? If so, don't be a slow kiln. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you're always fired up about our latest content. Number 5 in our countdown of top-selling ceramics and pottery on Amazon is the ifergoo Air Dry Clay set, a dazzling assortment that promises endless fun and creativity for kids and craft enthusiasts alike. Imagine diving into a spectrum of 36 vibrant colors, each block weighing 15 grams and totaling a generous 540 grams of crafting joy. This set includes sculpting tools to help shape and mold your creations, making it a versatile choice for a range of projects. Crafted with safety in mind, this air dry clay is non-toxic and environmentally friendly, meeting the rigorous ASTM D4236 and CE EN71 standards. You can trust that every creative moment is not only enjoyable but safe for everyone involved. The ifergoo clay stands out with its super pliability, soft, non-sticky, and resistant to fading. It's designed to air dry, so there's no need for oven baking. Just shape, seal, and let it dry at your own pace. This feature makes it an ideal medium for adding into slime or for standalone projects. Perfect for both classroom and home use, this clay set is recommended for ages 3 and up. Whether it's for a birthday gift, a creative classroom activity, or a fun family project, this clay set is sure to inspire and delight. And if you encounter any quality issues, our dedicated customer service team is ready to assist. Contact us and we'll promptly send you a replacement. Unleash your imagination and let the ifergoo Air Dry Clay set transform your creative ideas into colorful reality. At number 4 in our countdown of the top-selling ceramics and pottery on Amazon is the Polymer Clay 50 Colors Modeling Clay Starter Kit, a treasure trove of creative potential for both budding artists and seasoned crafters. This kit boasts an impressive 50 vibrant colors, each housed in its own protective PE bag, ready to ignite your imagination. Packaged in a 2-layer plastic storage box, the kit includes not only the clay, but also a selection of creative modeling tools and a comprehensive user manual. Weighing in at 2.96 pounds, this set offers a substantial amount of material for all your artistic endeavors. Crafted from soft, high-quality polymer clay, this kit is free from wheat, nuts, or peanuts, ensuring it's safe for everyone. Adhering to the stringent ASTM D4236 standards, it provides peace of mind while you explore your creative side. The clay is designed to be easy to shape and mold, making it perfect for a range of artistic projects. It's non-sticky, non-fading, and provides a satisfying tactile experience for smooth, effortless modeling. This polymer clay supports 3 molding methods: the recommended oven baking technique, heating with a hairdryer for small pieces, or, although not recommended, boiling. For the best results, follow the detailed instructions included in the kit. Ideal for children and artists alike, this starter kit makes an excellent gift, though it's not suitable for children under 3 years due to small parts. And if you encounter any issues or have questions, our dedicated customer service team is available 24/7 to assist you. With a satisfaction guarantee offering replacements or refunds, your creative journey is in safe hands. Dive into the world of polymer clay with this comprehensive kit and watch your imagination come to life. At number 3 in our countdown of the top-selling ceramics and pottery on Amazon is the CiaraQ Polymer Clay 50 Colors DIY Modeling Clay Starter Kit, a versatile and creative powerhouse for kids and beginners alike. This exceptional kit includes 50 vibrant colors of polymer clay, each neatly wrapped in its own PE bag and housed in a convenient plastic storage box. Weighing 2.8 pounds, it comes with an array of creative modeling tools, additional accessories, and a project booklet to fuel your imagination. Crafted from non-toxic, environment-friendly materials, this clay is free from allergens like wheat, nuts, or peanuts, making it a safe choice for everyone. It adheres to the rigorous ASTM D4236 standards, ensuring it meets safety and quality requirements. The clay itself is a marvel of flexibility, non-hardening, reusable, and blendable. It promises endless creative possibilities. Each pack is individually wrapped, making it easy to use and store. Perfect for crafting small ornaments, model animals, and imaginative characters, this kit is ideal for both classroom settings and home use. While the oven baking method is recommended for best results, you can also use a hairdryer for smaller pieces. Boiling is not effective, so be sure to follow the included instructions for optimal outcomes. Recommended for ages 4 and up, this polymer clay kit offers a fantastic outlet for creativity and hands-on learning. And if you encounter any issues, our dedicated customer service team is ready to provide a free replacement. Unleash your creativity with the CiaraQ Polymer Clay Kit and transform your artistic visions into reality. In the spotlight at number 2 on our countdown of the top-selling ceramics and pottery on Amazon is the DS Air Hardening Modeling Clay, 2.2 pounds of pure crafting potential. Imagine a clay that transforms creativity into reality with effortless ease. DAS Air Dry Clay offers a smooth, even texture that requires no oven baking. Simply let it air hardens, and you're free to enjoy a fuss-free crafting experience that's as stress-free as it is rewarding. This clay is an artist's dream, providing limitless artistic versatility. Whether you're molding, sculpting, or crafting intricate models and figures, DAS clay adapts seamlessly to your creative needs. From stunning decorations to unique jewelry pieces, this clay is your go-to for versatile and imaginative projects. Each 2.2-pound brick of this air-dry sculpting clay is exquisitely malleable. The soft consistency makes molding and shaping straightforward, and the DAS modeling tools make the process even smoother. You'll find that turning your ideas into tangible creations is not only fast, but also incredibly satisfying. Available in both white and terracotta options, DAS clay comes in convenient 1.1-pound and 2.2-pound packages. Whether you're tackling a small project or diving into a larger one, there's an option tailored for your needs. Crafted in Italy since 1963, DAS has been a trusted name in the world of clay, known for its reliable and easy-to-use products. Artists and hobbyists alike have relied on DAS for decades to bring their creative visions to life. So, get ready to transform your crafting experience with DAS Air Hardening Modeling Clay, where creativity meets convenience in every sculpted masterpiece. Coming in at number 1 on our countdown of the top-selling ceramics and pottery on Amazon, we present the Crayola Air Dry Clay, a 5-pound bucket of endless creative possibilities. This generous 5-pound supply of Crayola sculpting clay is a game-changer for both kids and educators. Encased in a handy resealable bucket, it's designed to be your go-to resource for sculpting fun and artistic exploration. Crayola Air Dry Clay is perfect for a variety of traditional clay techniques. Whether you're coiling, slabbing, pinching, or scoring and welding, this clay delivers. It's versatile and easy to work with. Simply add a bit of water to soften it as needed, making it a breeze for hands of all sizes to manipulate. Unleash your imagination by adding vibrant details to your creations using Crayola project paints or acrylic paints. These paints blend seamlessly with the clay, allowing you to bring your artistic vision to life in full color. Cleanup is a snap with this air-dry clay. It washes off skin, tools, and surfaces effortlessly with just soap and water. Plus, any unused clay can be stored in an airtight container to keep it fresh and ready for future projects. Ideal for classrooms and group activities, this 5-pound bucket is a fantastic bulk supply for teachers and group leaders looking to enrich their hands-on learning experiences. And with its fine, natural white clay, it's not only easy for little hands to mold, but also completely safe and non-toxic for children ages 3 and up. Crayola Air Dry Clay is where creativity meets convenience. So grab your bucket and let the sculpting adventure begin. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the top-selling ceramics and pottery on Amazon. To keep up with all the latest bestsellers, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Also, check the pinned comment for links to all the top products we covered today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.